This video is going to tell you how to install Python on your computer. If you're using a Mac or you're using Linux, you won't have to do this because it's installed already. It's going to be Python 3 that we put on because that's the version that I will be basing my videos on. It's going to be just a few slides for you to follow, just with screenshots. I don't want you to watch me downloading a whole file, but it is quite straightforward. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is to get to the Python website. The easiest way to do that is to type Python in your search engine, and then when you get to this page here for the search results, make sure it's python.org and then click on download here. It's easier than going straight to the Python sites. When you do that, you should get a screen like this, and although we've got all these choices, it should look here that says download the latest version, and here it says for Windows, and when you're in there, click the version 3 as opposed to version 2. Don't worry about the numbers afterwards, but the version 3 is what I'm going to be basing my videos on. So if you're installing on Windows, you should get something very similar to this. It might be 64-bit or 32-bit depending on what you're doing. And the important thing is when you look at these options at the bottom, it doesn't really matter about the launcher as such, but make sure you click in this square here, add Python 3.5 to path. That will make it much easier for us to make it so our program can run from anywhere and using a lot of IDEs that we can use. So really important that you click in that box and then you carry on by clicking on install now here. When you've finished and it's installed, now this is for Windows 10, but it will be something similar in Windows 8 or 7, you're going to go and find out where you've installed it, and you'll have these things here installed. So this is documentation, which I tend to use the online stuff anyway. This is the actual program itself if you want to run it from a console, but we won't really be doing too much of that. And then this is idle, which is an IDE. It's a program that will let us run our programs. If you click on that, you will actually see Python coming up. We'll use that to start off with the first few lessons, but then I'll actually show you a different program. The next video I'm going to do is going to be showing how you can use Cloud9 to run our Python programs. If you're happy with what you've done here, then you can miss that video out and go straight to our first video, which will be looking at running some simple commands in Python. So I hope you found that helpful. Staying in field with Winfield.